Do you know how to extract the time from the sentences? For example, like in this example where we have the time. Or for example, we have the sentence with the time and seconds. Guys, it is very easy. Thank you to the REGEXEXTRACT formula. Just write equal REGEXEXTRACT. We select the cell that contains our timetable. In this case, it is F6, comma. We add the code that I have already prepared for you, and of course that you will find in the description. Press enter, and as you can see, we get immediately the result. That of course is also dynamic. The same thing we also do for the sentence with the seconds. We write equal REGEXEXTRACT. We select the cell F9, comma, and we put the code. It is a little bit different, but more or less the same. Just press enter and you get immediately the result. If you enjoyed the video, let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.